Forgot to actually film an intro, but this is a tutorial on this hair look. Just how to smooth and straighten your hair with like a slight curl at the end using a blow dryer. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so I'm just gonna first start off by saying I have medicine on my lip. Yeah. So I just got out of the shower about an hour ago, hour and a half. And I just threw my hair in a bun. I did a face mask, cleaned up a bit, all that. So then it would stay damp. So I'm just gonna take it out, fluff it out a bit. Alright, now I will go in with my products. So first thing I always like to use is a leave-in conditioner. So I got this one in Ipsy. It's Foxy Bay Flamingo leave-in conditioner. Looks, oh my gosh, if it'll focus. Looks like this. Alright, so I'll just squeeze out some onto my hand. And I don't like to use a lot of leave-in conditioner because then it makes my hair feel really oily. Oh my, this smells so good. I don't rub it on my roots. I don't put any product in my roots. I just run it through the ends and the middle part of my hair. I'll kind of brush through it with my fingers. Okay, now I will use I'll either use a oil or serum. This is the argan oil, or it's a argan oil. Oh my gosh. And I put this like here down, because that's where all my ends are. My ends are very, 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 very dry. My hair is extremely dry. And then I'll flip my hair over and get the back, because under my hair is pretty dry too. Okay, and then I'll use the Beyond the Zone blowout balm. So I'll take 2 pumps of that, run it through my hands, and then start going through my hair. I know this feels like a lot of product, but I'm not applying a lot of each product, and my hair just sucks it up. Okay, and then lastly, I will use the Not Your Mother's Beat the Heat spray, and I don't do a lot. I just generally coat it. Okay. Then again, run my fingers through. And now my hair is much smoother than it was to begin with. I mean, it's still pretty tangled because I have very thick hair. Ow. But I can't avoid my hair tangling, so yeah. So now I will go in and just start blow drying. I have a blow dryer by Revlon. And first I have the diffuser attachment on. And I have it on warm, and I'll put it on high heat. Oh, there's hair everywhere. So first, I just use the diffuser at my roots, and then I'll go in and show you how I do my ends. now that my roots are somewhat dry, by the way, I don't even know if that's how you use a diffuser. I know some people, like, with naturally curly hair, just, like, bunch up their hair like that and dry it. So I don't even know if I just used that right, but... So now I will take this attachment. It just, like, is for more targeted blow drying. And then I won't brush my hair, but I'll just pick up the top section. And then I take this cylinder brush and I just grab a piece, kind of brush through it a bit, and then I take it underneath first, and then use the blow dryer. And then on the ends, I take the brush and I just roll it in and then blow dry it. So yeah, I will just go ahead and do that on all my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished blow drying the bottom and back part. And I'll start with the back section and move forward. And so when I did the bottom, I was blow drying it kind of away from my face. Now I will be blow drying it more downwards. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to this part of my hair. Okay, so, and I realized I didn't tell you guys this, but when I'm using the brush, if you've noticed, I go under the piece of hair and brush, because that way it like lifts up your hair and gives you more volume. So, just brush out this section. And finish it off. Sweet, and this is what the final hair looks like. My hair is very soft, smoothed out. I love the way it looks, and it gives me like a soft curl at the end without actually curling it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Your head on.